my lingo. So wild I'm going dingo. Glasses look like Lynn and I'm started, call me Ringo. Pause, continue, I'm ballin' like Mace Windu. Hotter than chili peppers, what I got you, put it in you. 1, 2, we keep it moving, yeah, we 3, 4. We keep it moving, yeah, 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 we do. Ocean cruising with the scoopers, pushing the square groupers. Gas boom fast, outrunning the hella troopers. Miami out of Cuba, keys to West Bermuda. Cause they the Zulu shooters, calling Gabby and Bermuda. Move it.
Hello, and thank you for watching our video. This is the Hexagonal gaming system by Wyrmwood, and personally I'm very excited for this project because I feel like we've gotten away from a lot of things in the past couple of campaigns.
Yeah, we've had a couple really big, really great projects, but this is kind of a back to the roots kind of thing.
You know, it's stuff like this. We haven't been able to do things like this in a really long time. Dice was obviously all about the dice, and then we had MGT, which was all about value, and we didn't really flex the crafting muscles. And I'm really glad to get back to, you know, some masterwork stuff. And this is actually, I think, one of the nicest masterwork things we've ever done.
I haven't seen it until now, actually.
Oh, hey. Oh, look at that.
Nice.
You see that?
Yeah.
Ooh.
The white oak, you know, when I heard, like, white oak, it didn't click for me, but it goes really well with Wenge, actually.
It does. Now we have, like, actual brand new trays, brand new tiles. We have brand new accessories. Like,
yeah, that thing is sweet. I'm so excited to see tiles come back, because tiles were maybe my favorite project in a lot of ways.
Yeah?
Just because I'm such a big board game nerd. And the combo, I've been waiting for the combo tile.
This is it. This is,
thing.
yeah, that is his jam.
Yeah.
First game you'd play with it, go.
Probably Wingspan.
Yeah?
Play a lot of Wingspan, which is why it's in the photos so much. Yeah, thanks for watching the video. I hope you share the page, get the word out, all that stuff.
Check out the pledge calculator.
Yes. Yeah, very important. If you want to know, it has the full pricing of everything in there, but it'll also let you know your shipping estimate. So that's
Which is big, important in this campaign. You need to know your shipping estimate is based on your backer number. I don't know what to say. Like, how many times can you say we appreciate it? I don't want to f***ing say it. Like, I can't swear in Kickstarter videos. I don't want to say it. I want to show you the appreciation.
Sure.
Through what we have planned. I have secret stretch goals. There's no stretch goals on the page. They're secret. I can't wait to continuously be talking to the backers throughout the entire campaign. It just feels so disingenuous to sit here and be like, thanks so much through a camera lens. So I'd rather show it through making sure that this is one of the best campaigns that you've ever backed.
I'll say thanks through the camera. I've done it like 16 times now. I mean it too.
Stay tuned and it'll get even better. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you guys on the other side.